So after I've done some decollaging and tearing and I've got this rough surface that I've sanded down a bit, I then take a little bit of matte medium and smooth it onto the surface so that I can then paint on top of it or collage on top of a more smooth piece. So the fun I'm having now is cutting collage paper into, and I like the contrast of the torn base and the more graphic, strong elements on top. So I'm playing around with shapes and seeing what happens if I stick down cut out different shapes and just play around with the colors and the contrasts and see what happens. So there's no wrong way to do this. It's just super fun playing around with these different elements.